You jumping? Just jump. There you go. Who's learning? This is Ethan learning how to swim. But it's really more about hurting. It's just incredible, the instinct that he has. And he's very serious about his noodles. Like, you gonna do it again? Go jump. Go ahead. Just jump. Go on. Good boy. Oh, boy. You went all the way down. Okay, you're okay. Come to Mommy. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay, sweetheart. Oh, you okay? You okay? That's cheating, Ethan. That's cheating. Go. No. Just go in the pool. Go on. That's cheating. Ethan. Go in the pool. Oh. Wow. Good boy, Mom. Okay. I'll walk around. And then, you gonna go pee-pee? You have to do pee-pee? Yeah. Hey, everybody. I'm sorry, Ethan. I should have had a little bit more respect for your dignity. Okay. Okay. Good boy.